our first lesson in our digital marketing course. Our digital marketing course is spanned across more than 200 lessons. We will cover every nuances, every aspect of digital marketing, starting from paid advertisement of different platforms to optimizing your website, your content, your image, your video in different platforms. Starting with the digital marketing, we always think of different digital platforms, but we tend to forget one basic thing is marketing. Marketing is the basic thing. Even before digitization happened, marketing was there, and marketing is still today with us. Every product that we use, everything that we use, everything that we even think, even the digital marketing is also having a term marketing. Digital marketing is nothing more than the digital part of marketing. As we grow with the digital age, marketing principles stay same till today. Marketing is all about changing the beliefs in the mind of customers, said by Philip Kotler long back. He introduced us to a way of marketing that is still carrying forward in the age of digitization. Although the effect of digitization led to huge change in marketing and business across the world, leading to closing of many companies and evolving of many companies. The digitization has brought to us a new era where marketing is being done in a new way to communicate the product, to create more value, to deliver value to the customer in a different way. Digital marketing targets the customer segment to bring profit in a new and different way. The dynamic change in marketing that happened with the digital marketing is being seen starting from the person who sell product at your doorstep and a company who sell product in your Facebook account. Marketing in both the cases where a company is selling a product in your Facebook account by tracking your digital behavior, knocking your digital door, is quite like the same thing. A person knocking your door in your home or your office. It's just a differentiation of the medium of selling a product, taking a product to a customer. Delivering value in both the cases stays same. We cannot change the delivery of value. We can only change the delivery of platform. Marketing of digital way is the same way. It only changes the platform, it only changes the medium of communication between a business and a buyer. Today's world brings us new type of products, services, and also buyers. We have never seen in the last 100 years of business or commerce. Even in last 18 years, we have seen many bigger companies stop working. We have seen many new companies come up and provide services to big giant organizations. They are delivering value. Take the case of Facebook or Google. They both came from small ventures, but they are now one of the biggest companies of the world, delivering value, taking product to a customer, constantly working for businesses to provide them the desired result. Along with these platforms, we can see people like us who are optimizing customers, who are bringing more knowledge for society, business and students to learn and connect the products, connect the businesses with their end customer in a more better way. According to the American Marketing Association, marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. Even digitization also brings the same value set in digital marketing. We can see what American Marketing Association told us long before the digitization happened in digital marketing as well. The set of institutions is like Google, Facebook and other mediums through which we take the businesses to the customers, and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings like AdWords, programmatic and many other advertising platforms through which we take a product to the customer in a more delicate way. It definitely delivers value to customers, clients, partners and society at large. Although we have seen the data breach in Facebook, although we have seen hacking incidences of many bigger websites, although we have seen devaluation of bigger companies like Yahoo, we have seen the world change forever with the digital growth of marketing. I would say it's the next generation of marketing, that is digital marketing. Come, let's learn, let's see this amazing thing, let's feel and let's do something for the businesses, let's do something for us. Let's take the products to the customers in such a way that customers cannot deny. Let's build strategies for businesses. Let's strategize the sales operations in such a way using digital marketing tools that they cannot fail. At least they can provide the positive return, leaving businesses happy and the people who are working with them happy. Let's learn and apply the things throughout the course. If you have any problem throughout the course while learning, while understanding things, do get back to me. I will always be with you, bringing updated course materials and answering your questions. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to teach at Udemy and it's a pleasure to teach the world in such a low cost. Thank you.